everyone. At first take my salam. Here you can see the BlackHead Remover machine. Actually I want to change the power option of this machine. Now let's start. Try to open it. Please be careful when you open the machine, cause the body structure is actually made by plastic. The major part of this machine is a DC motor. To run this motor, just 3 volt is enough. I disconnect the connection. This is a 3.7 volt lithium-ion battery. I want to try to fit this battery here. I am searching the cutter blade to cut the plastic. Just like this. Cut, be careful. After cutting, you can see the situation. Check it. Is it okay or not? It's a charging module of 3.7 volt lithium-ion battery. This circuit will be protect overcharging. When the battery will be fully charged, then it will be auto cut off. Just over checking, is it okay or not? Here I am searching the drill bit. To join this circuit by screw, I try to drill. Take 2 screws and tight it. Connect charging cable to check it. To join this battery, I used hot glue. Just connect the charging connection. To join the switchboard, try to fix it in the middle point. After that, I complete the simple connection. Yeah, I thought it's look like okay. Then close the cover. And tight it by screw. Finally, I want to confirm all those connections are okay or not. Yeah, it's okay. And take charge. At last, close the head cover. And battery cover. Now let's test. If you like this video, click this like button. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.